In this video, I will show you how to make pictures move in CapCut PC. You can also move the picture up and down, left to right, or whatever the placement you want to move the picture on the CapCut. This is very simple and very easy. Let's get started. So here is the image put on the timeline, and here you can adjust the image on the screen where you want to move in. After that, go to the basics, and here you will see that there is a scale and there is a position. Right now the picture is 1082 position minus 128. So what you have to do, you need to click on the scale diamond button, click on that, and now click on the position. This is the starting point. And now place the cursor where you want to move the image on the screen. From this point to this, and now then change the image position. And now here you can see that a diamond button is placed on the timeline. And now again give the another position to the picture on the screen. For example, you want to move on the upside, click on that and change the position. And here you can see that there is another diamond button. And now click on the another placement and change the position. And here you can see that there is another diamond button. Now you want to move on to the downside and change the position. Now let's play it how it looks. And here you can see that the image is moving on the screen. This is very simple and very easy. I hope you can do it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.